Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new box this month called the Curated Bead Box. And this month is called Sea Jewels. Now, there's a coupon inside for 35% off the discount of your first box if you want to order it. And I will flash the promo code on the screen. It's Harmson35. So each box is $20 monthly, including shipping. And this month has a competition inside. So what I'm going to do is today I'm going to do a bead unboxing of this. And then in the following video, I'm going to make something and then enter it into the competition. So let's get started on this. Ooh, very pretty. Nice. Okay. So let us see. Put this aside. So if you want to take a screenshot of this, it says enter to win Sea Jewels March Curated Bead Box Competition. Submit a photo of your creation made from the beads in this box to sales@curatedbeadbox.com for a chance to win. Last date for submission is March 31st. Prizes for the top 10 submission are dollar bead bundles, 8 strings of beads, and a starter finding kit. Winners will be announced April 1st, 2022. Your creation will also be presented with your name in our weekly newsletter. Well, that's pretty cool. Okay, I just remembered I have to put the box here so that I know what is what. Okay, so let me get set up and I will be right back. Okay, so starting off, we have the 12mm blue agate style glass bead 8-inch string. This is very pretty. It's very well made beads. The holes all look nice in them. So we've got this one. Then the next we have the turquoise 12mm turquoise style glass bead 8-inch string. These are really pretty. They definitely have that look of the beach. I'm lucky enough to live down on Siesta Key by the beach, so I get to see it a lot. And next is a 10mm crystal crackle glass bead 8-inch string. These are beautiful. They have a smooth outside, but you can see the crackle on the inside. Very pretty. And then next is a 10mm aqua crackle glass bead 6.5-inch string. This is pretty. Very pretty. Light reflects on there. Looks so pretty. And next is the 10mm summer floral crackle season glass bead 8-inch string. So these are so pretty. You can see. You see the movement of them. And then next is an 8mm turquoise swirl marble style glass bead 10.5-inch string. Oh, that is so pretty. Very pretty. Okay. And next is the 6-inch Marigold Crackle Spray glass bead 16-inch string. So got this. You can see that little the spray of the color on there between the crackles on the inside. Very pretty. They're nice quality beads too. Next is the 6mm Marigold Crackle, 6mm Moonlight Galaxy Luster glass bead 10.5-inch string. This is very pretty. And next is 16mm blue pattern Lampert glass beads. There's 5 beads. These are handmade there. Very pretty. These can be focal points of earrings. They're not too heavy, like if you use them for earrings, but you did them with some other lighter beads, like seed beads or something as needed. This wouldn't be too heavy for an earring. Next is a 12mm silver shell metal charm. There's 4 charms, and they're double-sided. Really cute. And not too heavy. You could tell they're well made. And now next, most of the boxes come with the 20 millimeter silver starfish metal charm, 2 charms. I ended up getting 2 dolphins. Very cute. That's one side. It's the other. And then 10 millimeter silver metal spacer beads, 2 beads. I ended up with these. I'm not sure if this is what the other box had, but they're very pretty. And then next is approximately 1.2 ounce of ocean glass bead mix. So this is pretty. Some extra little pieces, different, you know, colors, different textures, just to add in with this. And then you put these away. Oh, one went down on the ground. I will get that after. And then, of course, come our findings, which are really nice. We get some, they add these to the mix. We get some jump rings, some lobster claws, some crimp beads, some silver ear wires, some head pins, some memory wire, some cord to make the jewelry out of, and some stretchy cord. So yeah, I think this box is really pretty. I'm really happy with everything in it. So I am definitely going to get everything organized, and stay tuned for my next video where I will be creating something out of this to put in for their competition. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. And also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know in the comments how you like this and if you'd like to see any other types of videos. Also, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below, so just click on them to take you there. I also have my Etsy store link below if you would like to follow me there. Just click on that. So thank you again, and see you soon in my next video. Have a great day.